Tammy Williams with Kelowna Now here in City Park, and the official opening for the Field of Crosses Memorial Project is just about to begin.
Hooray! By the center! Quick! March!
My father served in the Royal Navy in England in the Second World War, and my grandfather served in the British Army at Vimy Ridge in the First World War. So I have a strong history myself with the armed forces. It's been a year's worth of work putting this together. I used to live in Calgary. I came here 4 years ago. The one in Calgary is 3,600 crosses on Memorial Drive, and it always just grabbed my heart. So when I came here, I was really amazed that we had so many names on the cenotaph here. And I said, wouldn't it be nice if we could just have the same field of crosses here as we have in Calgary? So I went to the people in the field of crosses in Calgary, and I got permission to replicate what they're doing here. The crosses are made by the same company as made the ones in Calgary, and the silk poppies are actually contributed from the field of crosses in Calgary. They donated them to us. So we worked very closely with the Calgary group.
There's an Ernest Casorso who is my great uncle, and he was my great grandma's dad's brother who came here actually with Father Pendozzi in the 1800s. So that's pretty special to see the cross here.
Kind of somber, but it's great that they've gone ahead and done this. I think it's a terrific idea, and so we don't forget.
It's just so important that we all take the time on the 11th day of the 11th month at the 11th hour to actually stop whatever we're doing, find a place to pay tribute to the fallen heroes, and to spend a minute just thinking about the people who went before us and made our land the happy, free place that it is. It's going to be here 24 hours a day. We have the crosses lit at night, so you can come down anytime you want and have a look and pay respect to the fallen heroes whose names are represented on the crosses. They'll be up until after November the 11th. We're taking them down at noon on November the 12th.